Welcome to another Crayolytics Espresso Shot, where we reveal game-changing perspectives on PPC advertising in just seconds. This time, Crayolytics sponsored product ads. And this is why you should care. Inspired by Amazon, retailers have increasingly become aware that their e-commerce sites allow them to do much more than filling shopping carts. The latest trend is to also become media publishers. By offering sponsored product ad inventory to their brand partners, retailers have unlocked a new revenue stream that compensates for eroding retail margins while still satisfying shopper intent. However, retailers seeking to scale their media revenues currently have a hard time scaling this newly discovered opportunity. In this espresso shot, we shed light on this important challenge. In order to connect their product ad inventory to demand, online retailers turn to the SPA solution vendor of their choice. The problem is that any dependency on a single solution vendor easily leads to unsold ad inventory and caps the yield available for the space. Both factors severely limit the ad revenues retailers can make. Obviously, the biggest opportunity is to foster competition by simply bringing in multiple SPA solution vendors simultaneously. Alas, what sounds like a no-brainer is actually quite hard to do. In the current environment, retailers need to integrate with each solution vendor separately. Getting development time is already hard, but managing the complexity of multiple integrations is even harder. One aspect of this complexity is the lack of consolidated reporting across several solution vendors to create meaningful insights at both product and brand level. But the most important aspect is to not cannibalize the retail business with a bad advertising experience. Multiple ad swim lanes and irrelevant ads can easily ruin the shopping experience. Now, imagine a solution that allows retailers to solve for these complexities. Imagine a platform that makes it easy to integrate and mediate between different demand sources. With just a single integration, retailers can mix and match direct deals and network demand across all major vendors to maximize their yield. Imagine a platform that unifies performance reports across multiple demand sources and allows to pivot on multiple variables for insights. Imagine that the platform also allows retailers to combine the various swim lanes from multiple vendors into a unified experience, all while controlling the presentation to show only the most relevant product ads. Retailers no longer need to imagine such a platform. The Crayolytics sponsored product ad solution solves for these challenges and helps retailers build and scale their media networks. Contact us at crayolytics.com/sponsored product ads to learn more. That's it for this time.